How to stop OneDrive from automatically syncing on your PC. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a small, quick, easy step to stop OneDrive to automatically syncing with your PC. So first, you're going to click the bottom right, OneDrive, up, click Setting, and here you're going to scroll down and click the pause syncing when device is on a metered network. Going to on that, so it will stop automatically syncing with your device. Going to pause it. So there's another step, which click account. Here you can unlink this PC. So unlink this, so it will tell you your OneDrive files stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device. When online, only files will remove. So it's your choice if you want to unlink this or not. So these are the steps which you can stop OneDrive from automatically linking or syncing with your PC. Thank you.